Hey there, money movers and savvy retirees. Welcome to Retirement Tips, and I'm your host, Jerry Rodriguez. Now, are you trying to decide where to stash your cash, CDs, Treasuries, or MYGAs? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm breaking down why it's smarter to go with CDs or Treasuries for 3 years or less, and why MYGAs are your best friend when it comes to 3 years or more. All right, let's get right into it. So when it comes to short-term savings, we're talking 3 years or less. CDs and Treasuries are like that old, comfy sofa. It's easy to access, and you have your favorite spot, no surprises. But once you hit that 3-year mark, you really want to upgrade to a MYGA, which is the luxury recliner of safe investments. Why should I do that, Jerry? Well, let's break it down. Reason number one, early withdrawal penalties. Nobody likes penalties. They're like that hidden gym membership fee that you forgot about. So CDs and Treasuries are more forgiving here. Even if you pull out your cash early, the penalties are generally much smaller compared to MYGAs, which come with those infamous surrender charges. But the story changes after 3 years. That's when MYGA surrender charges often drop or disappear, meaning you're less likely to face fees. Plus, the higher guaranteed rates, MYGAs can start to pull away as the better choice. Now, reason number two, liquidity. For short-term goals, CDs and Treasuries let you access your cash faster and easier. Imagine this, your niece suddenly decides to get married and you need a quick wedding gift. No problem. With CDs and Treasuries, you're not stuck with hefty penalties for withdrawing early. Treasure the Treasury, as they say. But when we're talking about saving plans for 3 years or more, think about it like a relationship. If you're in it for the long haul, you deserve the best benefits. That's where MYGAs come in. Now let's talk about reason number three, higher rates. As of today, which is October the 14th, 2024, the average CD rates were sitting around 5% for a 1-year term. That's not bad, but here's the kicker. Those rates are typically locked in for that duration, and then they can drop when it comes time to renew. With a MYGA, you can lock in a guaranteed rate of 5.4% for multiple years, up to 5 years, giving you more stability and better returns over the long haul. So while CDs might give you a quick boost, MYGAs are like locking in the VIP package. You're getting higher rates for longer without worrying about changes in interest rates. All right, let's not forget reason number four, tax deferral. With a MYGA, Uncle Sam lets you hold off on paying taxes on your earnings until you cash out. So you get to keep all that interest working for you. It's like a garden where you don't have to worry about those weeds. You can just let those savings grow and flourish. So here's the bottom line. If you're in a short-term situation, 3 years or less, stick with CDs or Treasuries. They give you flexibility, fewer penalties, and easy access. But if you're lock in a long-term relationship, go with the MYGA. You'll get higher guaranteed rates. You'll enjoy tax-deferred growth, and surrender charges won't be an issue if you stay committed. It's like graduating from short-term dating to a solid, reliable partner who treats you right. Which, by the way, my wife and I will be celebrating our 30th year anniversary. All right, so to help you make the best choice, here's a shameless plug for a free ebook, choosing between MYGAs or CDs and MYGAs. It's packed with all the juicy details and tips that you need. So click the link in the description to download your copy. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, or you can buy us a cup of coffee. And don't forget to subscribe for more retirement tips. Well, that's a wrap. Let's keep the retirement chat going in the comments. I will see you there. Take care.